Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok. I am from Ahmednagar. Our topic is what is exception handling in Java. So we have discussed about the exception handling in Java. Before we are going to the what is the exception. So exception it means to disturb the normal program, to disturb due to how to disturb your program normal flow due to your abnormal and abnormal unwanted situation are creating in this test in this state and to your disturb your normal flow of program. So it is known as a exception. So we can use the exception. We are handling the exception by the exception handling process. So what is exception handling? So exception handling it means it is a second row second it is a second way to handle the your exception or exception handling your exception or program. So we have discussed about the exception handling. So there are various types of keywords are using in we are using the exception handling. First of all, try, catch, block. Second of all, throws keywords, and finally keywords. So we have discussed about the one by one, and then we have discussed about the firstly exception. So exception, we have take the example about the exception. So we are going to the picnic in our friends, but our one friend is not feeling well, so exception occurs as a feeling not well, ill feeling not well. So next example about the exception. So we are working on specific projects and we are required to specific file, but your file is not found in your system. So in that case, exception occur, file not found. So it is a example about the exception. So we have take the example about the exception handling. So exception handling it may, so we are suppose we are going to the your office. So your office, but you are required to your id card, your tiffin, your id card, your company as company requirement as per your id. So we have forgot our home and we are going to the our company. So in that state you are not allowed to your company get due to you are not allowed your company due to your we are not carry to our id card as our company. So in that scenario, exception are occurs in that scenario. So we are handling the exception by using the various types of keywords. So try catch block, and then next is a throw keyword, and then next is the finally. So we have discussed about we have take the example about the exception and exception handling. So we have created the array, and array size is a 5, but we are asking the users to your array size is index number 6, but index number 6 is not available because of your array size are declared in the only 5 elements. So in that case, exception is occurs, array index out of bound exception. So it is a runtime exception are including in array index out of bound exception. So next is a we have created the string size is a string s1 is equal to fshine, and we are asking the asking the character number 10, character number 11, but your fshine string is only 8 characters are available in string. So 10 characters are not asking is not asking to properly by using the by creating the string. So in that scenario, string index out of bound exception are occurs. So in this exception are including in runtime exception. So next is a so in that case, so we are avoiding the exception. After exception, we are using the try catch block, and your code is returned to your try block, and exception occurs, and then exception your exception is catch in catch block, and finally your program is executed. So we can use the try catch block. So there are two types of exception. There are two types of exception handling. First of all, to check exception, and second of all, uncheck exception. So check exception is also known as a compile time exception, and uncheck exception is also known as a runtime exception. So check exception. Suppose check exception are occurs in the compile time exception. It is known as a compile time exception. Compile time exception occurs in our program. So it is a totally it is a occurs at your program at a compile time. So it is all the responsibility to our programmers, and we have handle the programmers are by using easily by using the check exception. So we have take the example about the check exception. Suppose we are working on specific projects, and in that projects we have required specific file, but your file is not found in your system. So in that case, file not found exception occurs. So it is your check exception. So we have discussed about the explain about the uncheck exception. So uncheck exception is also known as a runtime exception. So also known as a runtime exception. Suppose uncheck exception are occurs in our lack of system resources. So it is not easy to understand and resolve the programmer. So we have take the example about the runtime exception. So we have create the array size is a 5, but we are asking the seventh index element. So it is not possible because of your array declare it only 5 size. So in that scenario, exception occurs is the array index out of bound exception. So so it is a exception handling and their types. So we have discussed about the what is the difference between exception and errors. So errors and exception are two terms are totally different. So we have discussed about the exception. So exception it occurs the your program, and it's easily sort out the by the programmer. But so first difference is error. So errors are occurs in lack of system resources. So it is not possible to handle the programmer or developer because of it is errors, and errors are not handled the programmer. So it is errors are in the system. So lack of system resources to create the errors. So its errors is only find out the only operating system trainer or operating system expert. And the next difference is there are two types of exception handling. First of all, compile time exception is also known as check exception, and runtime exception is also known as uncheck exception. And errors, so errors are only one types are including in errors. First is a runtime exception, it is also known as uncheck exception. So next is a next difference is a exception. So exception is handled easily by the programmer, but errors are not easily handleable. So errors is not recoverable, and exception is a recoverable because of your program is specific exception occurs by the programmer. So programmer we will check the first of all programmer will be check the flow of program and which line exception occurs. So we will be check the programmer. So it is easily handled by the programmer. Exception occurs in our programs. So it is all over about the exception handling. Thank you so much.